what's up guys? It's Marc Roy here, coming to you from British Columbia, Canada. Today I want to show you how I wrap my Spektra Flux, so it'll be a bit of an instructional video. I'm all suited up, ready to rock this day, so let's do it, let's go. Alright guys, so this is how I wrap it. Now I do it a little bit differently than most people. I use these Ergo foam grips. So in order to fit them properly and have your machine perfectly bagged, this is the way that I feel is the best to achieve that. I use these, they're great. They're available at Darklab, obviously. In the twilight of my 30s, you know, father time is never kind. So in order to save my hands and keep arthritis and all that stuff at bay, I find that they greatly kind of enhance the control and they feel really comfortable. So I use these. So the first thing you're gonna do is I take barrier film and I cut a little strip. I'm gonna say an inch and a quarter. It doesn't really necessarily matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. But what I like to do is I like to bring this over the machine and cover the top. So it kind of gives you an extra layer of protection over top of the clipboard sleeve. You know, sometimes these can rip when you're putting the Ergo foam on there, and then you could expose the top of your machine. So this is what I like to do. So you put it on there tight, you mold it to the machine, take, you know, you cut about, if you look at this, you cut about something of the sort. Now what you need to do is you feed it through. I use these Big Boss clip cords too as well from Darklab. They're bigger, easier to kind of sort of manage with the size of the machine, and then they slide really well. The Ergo foam grip slides really well over top of them. I find some of the other traditional clip cord bags tend to kind of sort of bunch up, or they almost stick. So these ones give you enough room to work, they're easy. So basically you feed the machine through, do this, you pull the bag tight over the top like that. You take your foam grip and you kind of sort of wiggle it on. It gives you something like that. And you just push that down. It slides really well with these Big Boss clip cords. Boom. So now you have the sleeve, the barrier, and you also have that barrier film under. So it really protects the top of your machine, which is crucial in my opinion. I leave the back open. I find that if you tape it down, it's hard to kind of sort of play with your depth. And it's very easy to tear down after when you're done tattooing. Sometimes I put an elastic, just, you know, the inner OCD in me wants it to look pretty. So basically you have this, you take a clean pair of scissors here, poke a little hole, there you go. And then you're ready. You feed your cartridge in and ready to go. Fully self-contained. No rips in the bag. You got your grip that feels really, really good. You can just hold it nice and tight. It feels well protected. When you're done, boom, there you go. Very easy to tear down. You pull this down, you pull it all off, you pull the barrier film, and you're pretty much ready to go. Give it a good wipe, and there you go.